Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet phone cover designs model knitted with yarn. Let's start the video. A crochet phone cover is a handmade phone case created using crochet techniques with yarn or thread. It helps protect the phone from scratches, dust, and minor impacts, while adding a unique decorative touch. Here are some useful tips for crocheting a phone cover. First, choose the right yarn. Cotton yarn is best for durability and grip. Acrylic yarn is softer but may stretch over time. Wool yarn can be warm but may felt with use. Next, select the right crochet hook. Match the hook size to your yarn, usually mentioned on the yarn label. A smaller hook gives a tighter stitch for better protection. Measure your phone correctly. Match your height, width, and thickness before starting. Add a little stretch so the cover fits snugly. Start with a sturdy foundation. A single crochet stitch creates a strong, dense fabric. A half double crochet works well for a slightly looser fit. Make it functional. Leave a hole for charging or headphone cables. Add a flap with a button for extra security. Attach a strap for carrying convenience. Add personal touches. Use different colors or patterns, stripes, flowers, or granny squares. Attach beads, appliques, or embroidery for decoration. Try textured stitches like bubbles or puff stitches for a unique look. Secure your stitches or even loose ends properly so they don't unravel. If using wool, you can fold the cover slightly for added durability. Here are more detailed tips to make a perfect crochet phone cover. Choose a stretchy or snug fit. If you want a stretchy fit, use striped stitches like front post or back post crochet. For a snug fit, make the cover slightly smaller than your phone, as crochet stretches over time. Use a continuous round for seamless look. Instead of joining rounds with a slip stitch, try working in a spiral to avoid visible seams. Use a stitch marker to track the start of each round. Reinforce the bottom for durability. Use a double-layered base for extra protection. Tie tight stitches like single crochet to prevent sagging. Add a soft lining, optional. Sew a fabric lining inside for extra protection. Use felt or fleece to cushion your phone. Experiment with fun stitch patterns. Moss stitch creates a textured modern look. Shell stitch adds a delicate feminine touch. Cable stitch gives a neat-like structured appearance. Make it multifunctional. Add a small pocket for cash, earphones, or cards. Use a slip stitch edge for a neat finish. After completing ear cover, do a slip stitch border around the edge for a polished look. Just fit as you go. Occasionally place your phone inside while crocheting to ensure the right fit. Adjust stitches if needed before finishing. Use a magic ring for a neat start. If you're working from the bottom up, start with a magic ring instead of a chain to create a tight, seamless foundation. Reinforce high wire areas. The corners and bottoms of your cover will experience the most wear. Use double crochet or a tattered stitch to make these areas stronger. You can also crochet 2 layers and stitch them together for extra durability. Try a two-tone or gradient look. Use ombre yarn or change colors halfway for a stylish effect. Tapestry crochet or color blocking can add personality to your design. Use a button loop or fluff for security. If your phone cover is a hot, add a fluff with a button for closure. A crochet chain loop works well for securing a button without stressing. Prevent stressing over time. Starter stitches like single crochet or waistcoat stitch for firm hold. Avoid loose stitches which may stress out with use. Consider water resistance. While yarn is not waterproof, use acrylic or nylon yarn can make your cover more resistant to moisturizer. You can also spray or fabric protector on the finished cover to help repel dirt and spills. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!